Oh, yes, now, boys and girls, big up Jungle is massive. So, I've been procrastinating about all this wood and what to do and how layout goes and blah blah blah. So, what I've done is you've seen in previous videos, I've made the backboards for the back side of the van. Now I'm moving forward. The ones in the back are going to get carpeted. The ones in the front are going to be a lighter colour. We're not sure as to what colour yet, but I've been making the board. So what I did is I made a board with 4.5mm plywood. Made the board, got it to the shape I wanted it, and then I've split it in two. So behind the driver, where the window is, I've split that panel into two, top and bottom. So I'll show you, I'll turn you around and show you what I've been doing. So yes, no. So basically I've made the panel out of plywood underneath, you can see it there. That's going to be at top, so I'm not bothered about top because there's going to be cupboards there, you won't see all of that. And then I've basically stuck the tongue and groove to that with wood glue and then routed round the plywood, so it looks like that. So that will be the panel where the window is. The other panels in the garage there, these lights will go mental, but that's still sticking down, and I've got router edges on that one, so it's nice and routed like round corner, round edges of that. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I'm gonna do the sliding door same, so like this on the sliding door. I think that'll be in two pieces as well, top and bottom, don't know yet. So yeah, big up Jungle is massive. So yes, now, so I've temporarily put the top piece of the board in, and I've made a window frame, which I don't know what to do with yet. I might carpet it front back, don't know yet. So I'll turn you around and show you. So this is my board, my window frame. So basically put a window frame in there. Probably going to hang a blind off it or something like that. But like I say, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I might carpet it. Might have to seal it round them. Maybe carpet it, I don't know yet. See what happens. But basically, that's the board and how it's going to go. All that at back's going to be carpeted up to that board, and then that's going to either, I think we might paint them a lighter colour, because back end's going to be black. This is going to be a lighter colour. We're not sure as to what yet, but yeah, I'm going to do exactly the same as that on my shutter door. And yeah, I am screwing my panels straight up on, because I've only got a short wheelbase, so I didn't want to batten it and lose space. So what I'm going to do behind the wooden, before I finalise it all, is I'm going to put strips of, so along that beam there, strip of carpet, along the bottom, strip of carpet, along top, strip of carpet. Because vans, and I know that wood against metal can make like a squeaking noise and does your head in. So what we used to do is run strips of carpet on the metal, put the board up to it. Well, sound. So sound dead and everything's got insulation and everything's got to go in there. I might have to put some more wires in as well, yeah, I don't know. So that will be coming back off. I have done the bottom piece, I'm going to try that once I've trimmed it. I need to trim around the edges. And then yeah, carpet, and I need to get all that at the back carpeted, and then I can start finally putting bits in that aren't going to come back out. So yeah, big up Jungle is massive. So yeah, day after, so it's Monday now. I'm doing the template for a sliding door. So I'll show you how I make templates. What I do is use the foil stuff, the vapor barrier stuff that you get from B&Q, and what I do is I cut it out, turn you around, cut it out, follow it shape where I want it, and then what I do is I put tape around it, as you can see that tape all the way around, and then what I'll do is I'll use a Stanley blade to cut that out right round where I want it to go. So that'll be more or less a perfect shape. I'll have to trim it and what have you, bits and bats I would have thought. It gets it somewhere near. And then what I'm going to do is what I did on the other panel and stick with it like that. Oh yes, now Jungle is massive. And if you can, please like, subscribe and all that ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling stuff if you don't mind. And it'll really help my channel, and I can make more videos and even more projects. This is my second project on my channel, so hopefully there'll be a few more in the future. Big up Jungle is massive.